So let's talk about variables. Now, variables is a way to deal with the memory. They helps us to assign any kind of data or any type of data to memory. And in Rust, we have two types of variables: immutable ones and mutable ones. Immutable are the variable whose value cannot be changed. Mutable variables are the variable whose value can be changed. Now let's see how we can create variables. On your screen, this is the screenshot of how we create variables in Rust, immutable and mutable ones. This is also the first time that we have seen any kind of Rust code in this course. So the first thing that you need to observe is let keyword. This keyword is basically a way to tell your compiler you're creating a variable. Then identifier or the name, a type, and a value with the equal to sign and semicolon. Now you don't need to give this value every time. Uh, Rust is able to determine the type explicitly. You don't have to tell your compiler again and again that this is integer 32 or integer 64. It can determine on its own. Similarly, we can create immutable variables of different types. For example, this is string, this is character, this is a float. But if you observe this variable is immutable because with the help of mute keyword, we are creating this variable. That means this variable can change its value. So with the help of both this keyword, we create a mutable keyword or mutable variable. All right. Now we have this quit program, which is boolean, value is false. And now in this variable your half, we are just assigning this value. So that's how we create variables in Rust, immutable and mutable ones. Just keep in mind the keywords let and let mute. All right, so that's how we create variables in Rust, and I think that's all we needed to know. So variables makes our job easier to work with data, and variable can be assigned to any value, and they are immutable by default. So that's it for this video. We'll be catching up in the next one.